Subscribe and like, please.
Hey guys, so welcome to today's video. I just want to come on here and properly introduce myself and just talk to y'all real quick before we get into today's vlog. So I just wanted to introduce myself. If you are new here, my name is Ciera Michelle and I am a lifestyle content creator. I love producing self-care videos and routines to uplift women and to really just help motivate us into being that girl and to really just showing up for ourselves, because showing up in the world starts with showing up for yourself. And for me, I really have been into self-care and body care routines lately just to help me combat depression and just feeling like I'm in a sunken place or feeling like I am not living to my full potential. So I have delved into just trying to better myself through self-care, self-maintenance, and podcasting, various other things. But I just wanted to introduce you guys and to really just tell you guys a little bit about myself. Hopefully in these vlogs you guys will see more of my personality and really just get to see who I am on a daily basis.
Let your edge out. Put some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've kept from listening. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. Not gonna make a nuisance, this is urgent. Tryna make sense of little change, got me a war in my mind. Let it go away, think he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will break up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arm, I'm feeling a smile. Still wanna try.
Way too big. This is way too big. This is a coat. It looks like a coat. But I am really disappointed with that Pretty Little Thing. The Pretty Little Thing coats. Like, I guess it's my fault for ordering too big of a size, but literally I have been waiting weeks for these coats because of the winter storm. I've been waiting at least 2.5 weeks for these coats, and I'm disappointed. So I just probably will have to buy my coats in person. So I'm gonna take a break from filming. I'll be back. So I cleaned my kitchen. I did a bunch of dishes and everything, and wiped the counters down and stuff. So
I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bored myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, said when you around me. Treat me like corduroy, you wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, what can we just rub it out? I don't want no savvy with you, you know you my plug, and I can't shake this habit, no. I've been down, baby, baby reminiscing. Baby, you're the missing.
have pretty much got everything together as far as writing in my journal, like what my video notes will be, because when I film I like to have video notes, just because like a vlog is different than like an informative type of video. You don't want to be just talking out the side of your neck. You kind of want to know, like for me, it's not like I'm writing everything I'm going to say. I just have like bullets, because I need to know like this topic, this is going to be talked about first, second, third, and so forth and so on, so I can kind of stay organized and really just push myself to finish the video. Because if I don't do this way, I will literally do my makeup for no reason, because like you know, you have to fight against the feeling of just, oh, this is not, nobody's gonna see this video, or I'm doing this for nothing. You gotta fight against those negative thoughts and push yourself to just do what you do. Just be informative, just be yourself, and just create content that you actually like seeing. For me, I'm like super into self-care routines right now. That's just me. So I'm like, let me just bring what I have to the table. And a lot of the times I'll talk myself out of it. Nobody wants to see me. You're too this, you're too that, you're too that. But I'm just trying to push past that and go forth. So I got my makeup on. I didn't grease myself up. Threw on a cute little nice white shirt. So I'm about to get into that video, and I think I'm going to leave it right here on the vlog until I come back. So right now I'm going to film an intro to my hair routine that I filmed already, and then I'm going to film the intro and the talking part of my shaving routine. And what I'm trying to figure out in my head is like, do I want to keep the same outfit on, or do I just want to change settings? I think I want to film in here for one video and then film in my living room for another video, just to give the, if I do have returning viewers, just to give them a different scenery. Even though most of my views, when I look at my analytics, most of my views are from new subscribers. I have a very low like returning audience, so that's one thing I'd be like, okay, it doesn't matter. But I think I might go ahead and just do that for this, to just knock it out the way. But at the same time, it's so late at night, I don't want to wake up my man, and he's in the other room sleeping. So hopefully I'm not talking too loud, and hopefully I don't wake him up, because I need him to go to work and make that money and pay these bills. So those are the two videos I'm filming tonight, and of course I'm working on this video, which is my self-care motivation. So those are 3 videos going on at once, and I have a long list of video ideas that I would like to do, but I can't. Rome wasn't built in a day, so I'm not gonna put all the pressure on me since I have my makeup done to go do this video, do that video. I can't do all those videos today. I gotta do these videos, edit them, and post them, and then hopefully I can come back. I didn't finish my makeup on camera, because y'all can check out the makeup routine, the makeup video. I literally just posted a makeup video. Pretty much all of this is on that. So if you want to see my makeup, it'll be on that. If you want to see how to do nude lips, I think I'm going to do a video on how to do nude lips for brown girls. So, and I like this. I just love this type of look. That's just me. So, and you can put gloss on it, but right now it's matte. So yeah, bunch of videos to do, and I want to be consistent. I want to grow. I want this to be my job. Like, I want to be able to clock into work when I want to. I don't want to have to face like, oh, you're denied vacation because we need you here. Like, I don't want to. I want to be my own boss. I want to make my own schedules, routines, and I want to do what I love. And I love filming, I love editing, and I love this. So gotta put the work in for the things you want, instead of feeling like it just can't, you're obligated to it. Faith without works is dead. So if you're not working towards the things that you want in life, you can't feel like God isn't answering your prayers, because you're not putting too much work into what you're trying to do. So I'm trying to listen to my own advice, and I will talk to you guys later. Yeah. So guys, I finished filming a few intros and finished filming some videos. I just have some more pieces to plug in. And tonight I want to edit and I want to start on my laundry because I was telling you guys that I had to do some stuff this weekend and it's probably going to be a really tight schedule. So I want to try to organize bit by bit and do some laundry tonight. Hopefully that doesn't disturb us. You know, sometimes the laundry still be going while you're sleeping and you wake up. I'm trying to see how I want to do this because I'm really bad at completing laundry. Like I will do laundry and it will be in the washer an entire day before I change it. So I want to do laundry, but I want to do it efficiently. I don't want to wake myself up out my sleep feeling like, oh, is somebody downstairs? No, that's just the laundry. That's the washer. I don't want to do that. And as you guys can tell, my throat is messing with me because it's so late at night. I feel like my voice is becoming more raspy. It is cold in here, like the heat isn't on because I was trying to film and I didn't want it to be too loud. So I turned the heat off and I turned the heater off in the other room. So maybe that's why my voice hurts or whatever, because it's so cold and it is late at night. Like it's almost midnight. And I'm still filming, trying to finish out this vlog. So that'll be 3 videos done in one day. I have to pat myself on the back because y'all, when you're trying to go after your goals, it's not easy. Like looking at the end result, you can see all these different YouTubers. Like it's a lot of work that goes into like making consistent content and having a life. Like I work a 9 to 5. I work sometimes 6 days a week, 10, 12. Come on, like it gets hard to dedicate yourself to something that you are passionate about. At some point you're just like, you know what, I need a break from everything and I just want to go off the grid for a little while. And I'm back and I'm trying to be consistent and I'm trying to start scheduling content after I finish editing. So hopefully I'll have 2 videos up, 1 video up tomorrow, 2 videos next week, and then when we film again I'll be getting it going where I got videos going before the time and just scheduling. Yeah, so yeah, that's what I got going on tonight. And I did these press-ons to film just so I could feel like I look a little cute because hair not done, nails not done, but I'm not gonna let that stop the show. Like I told y'all, I'm not letting work circumstances stop me from being passionate about YouTube and completing things and getting them done. Okay, so I'm rambling, I'm stuttering, I'm rambling. I'm gonna let y'all go. I'm gonna finish cleaning and y'all can see it in the next part of this video anyway. So why am I telling y'all? Let's go.